Hello and welcome to another European market recap. Take a look at where we're currently standing in the European cash equity markets. We're seeing higher across the board with outperformance noted in the Italian and Spanish indices. Starting off with the overnight news, the main news coming from G20 sources saying that European central banks will be on hand to provide emergency liquidity assistance should it be needed following this Sunday's Greek elections. This has provided support from the open, and we did see outperformance in the financials for most of the morning. However, as we progressed in the last few hours, we did see a comment from the German Finance Ministry, which has garnered attention, saying that there is no conference call scheduled for Sunday. From that point, we did see a slight pullback with the bunds moving above their pivot level for the day and the Spanish and Italian yields coming off and drifting higher in recent trade. Currently, the Spanish 10-year yield stands at just below 6.9% and the Italian yield just hovering around that 6% mark. The overnight news from the Bank of England and the UK Treasury, they are to coordinate action and enhance credit for the UK banks through a form of emergency liquidity. We did see some outperformance in the UK financials throughout the morning today, and this easing action has stimulated some institutions to forecast a further injection of QE at the July rate decision. So Barclays, Goldman Sachs and now BNP Paribas are all forecasting a £50 billion injection in QE next month. This has become evident in the UK swaps market, which are now pricing in an 80% chance of a 25 basis point cut to the benchmark borrowing rate from the Bank of England by the end of this year. So that may be something to keep an eye on as we progress through the next weeks and months. Take a look ahead in the session, nothing much more from Europe, but from the US we do have Empire manufacturing figures as well as the industrial production reading. That's due on the wires at 1:30 London time and 2:15 London time respectively. We'll bring you that as soon as it hits the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a great weekend.